How well do you know? Journey into imagination with Figment. Fill in the missing word in the ride audio. Post how many you got right in the comments. Imagination is a blast.
Welcome to our special drive-through open house. I'm Dr. Nigel Channing of the Imagination Institute. Hello. On your tour, you'll see how the 5 humans can help capture your imagination.
Oh, can I go too?
This is one of our discoveries, the of imagination.
Yeah, I know all about the senses. There's sight, sound, smell, touch, coochie coochie coo, and taste. Taste like. Can I go? Please, please, please.
No.
Come on, everybody, here we go!
Figment, you are not with the tour. Our first stop is the sound lab. We'll begin by testing your hearing with a series of left ear, right ear.
It's not about listening with your ears, it's about listening with your imagination.
Now I've completely lost my thought.
No, you haven't. It's over here! For every sound your ears are hearing, 1,000 thoughts can start appearing. And each of us imagines different things from just a sound. Your mind has
Continuing now, if I may, in a calm, Figment-free manner. Let's begin by using the eye chart to test your vision. Now, all together, if you would please read line and repeat.
Sure, you can see with your eyes, but imagine what you could see if you used your imagination. Follow the figment.
Our research shows that smells often the imagination, especially when pleasant, familiar smells come to play.
Come into play.
This is not a good time.
It's always a good time to use your imagination. So let the good times roll. Woohoo! You win one.
Don't!
The nose knows. When all this can send you. One lovely sniff can be appealing.
sorry, but after that big in the smell lab, I hesitate to send you into the touch and taste labs. Perhaps I should end my open house right here.
Right this way, everybody!
Figment, what is going on? You're turning this entire open house.
With just a spark of inspiration, I made my house. And it's exactly what I imagined. Imagination is the You see, Doc, I knew you'd get it, because you got a imagination.
I do. And so, as you can plainly see, imagination works the best when it's set.
You said it, Doc. Imagination is a
And now we invite you to set your